day like this is a perfect day for Innsbrook, and whether it's golf, a chalet, or just a weekend getaway you're in for, this is the place.
Innsbrook has so many amenities, so many awesome things to do when you're out here. They can stay for a weekend, they can stay for a week. There's a pool, there's the Market Cafe and Creamery where we proudly serve Starbucks. You can grab a breakfast muffin or lunch on the go. And then we also have our Clubhouse Bar and Grill. So families or groups can come and dine at the Clubhouse Bar and Grill, visit the speakeasy, kind of have a nice evening winding down in that area. And there's just all kinds of things to do out here.
First and foremost is you're immersed with nature. That's been the #1 goal of the people who started Innsbrook many years ago, was to get people out here and just get them involved or immersed in nature out here. We have 108 different lakes within the property out here. It's a quiet boating community, so it's very peaceful, it's very safe, it's very quiet throughout the entire community. The fishing is fantastic. Swimming, kayaking, paddleboarding. You'll even see pontoon boats with electric trolling motors as well too. We have an 18-hole golf course. There are multiple restaurant and dining options out here. There's 2 pools. And then we have an awesome summer concert series out here.
Innsbrook's a public 18-hole championship golf course that over the last several years has had a tremendous amount of improvements. We focus a lot on the player experience and making sure the golfers enjoy themselves out here, which is really what Innsbrook is all about. Just making sure they have fun and want to come back and play again and experience more of the property.
Nash Bash Music Fest is in September. It is just the night before our big Skywars event that we host annually as well. So Nash Bash Music Fest will be just up the road, and we have live entertainers coming. We have all kinds of activities and things that the guests can do. For our weddings, our couples usually have their ceremony on the lake stage and a reception in the Aspen Room. We also do weddings and receptions on the patio as well. We're kind of an all-inclusive wedding destination. So we have full in-house catering with our executive chef and culinary team. We have banquet staff and banquet captains, and then an incredible team of venue coordinators as well.
Innsbrook Resort offers multiple different housing options out here. Our iconic A-frame chalet, which we started with back in the 1970s, is the perfect family getaway for the weekends. They're cozy, they're nestled in the woods, they're not as small as they originally were. They're quite a bit larger now, but they're absolutely perfect for a family, multiple families getting together, and just spending a really neat, fun getaway. And then we have a smaller custom home product called a cottage out here. And then we also have some newer products. We call those tree houses and the Sonnenhaus. Those are 2 just newer product options that we offer, which are kind of a really fun, modern spin on the classic, iconic A-frame treehouse as well.
It's such a unique property overall. It's a beautiful course. There's tons of wildlife out here. The golfers that were in the shop first thing this morning were talking about the amount of deer they saw coming in, and we generally have bald eagles flying over. It's something that it's a really, really beautiful course. It's a fun spot to be, and makes you feel like you're going on vacation when you drive through the gates, but you're only 30 minutes away, and from Chesterfield Valley and the St. Charles area, and you're getting to play a good golf course at the same time.
What a great place to take the family, play some golf, take in a concert. Visit Innsbrook-resort.com. Like and follow on Facebook, Instagram, and X. We'll be back with more Studio STL.